Hi, I'm Gladys Becerra, Technometrics Export Manager. Today I will present you one of our latest gauges for plastic grills. This gauge checks the essential features a plastic part should comply with: its mountability, shape, length and deviation of surfaces. What's really interesting about this gauge is how we've designed it. The checking blocks are mounted on sliding rails to mount the part more easily on the gauge. We've reproduced the clipping system of the part to check its mountability, as you can see now. Here is a section where you'll be able to see how the part is fastened and clipped on the checking fixture. Okay, here we go with the real gauge. By mounting the part on the fixed block, I'm fastening the part in X and Y, and I'm removing now the pins locking the sliding blocks, and I set them against the part to block it in Z. Now that we've checked that the part has a good mountability, we'll check its shape. The sliding blocks can be mounted in two positions, with a gap of 3 mm, which is what is displayed now, or at its nominal. To do so, you have two fixation positions on the sliding block to go from the nominal to the gap of 3 on two sides of the part. After that, we'll check if the upper surface of the part is okay with this dial indicator. We'll check the surface on 3 points, as I'm indicating now. The dial indicator displays the deviation of the upper surface, which will enable you to check if this deviation is within the manufacturing tolerances of your part. Then, we'll set to 0 the dial indicator adapted with a flat probe to check the length of the part. We use a flat probe to make sure that we'll touch a single point on the rounded surfaces of the extremities of the part. This is essential to check correctly the length. Here again, as this part has a triangle shape, we check 3 points. Depending on the manufacturing tolerance of the part and on the deviation displayed by the indicator, we'll know if the part is okay, too short or too long. Once we've finished to check the part, we slide back the rails and remove the part. Thank you for your attention, and I'll see you for the next video.